Another huge deal in the pharmaceutical industry. Merck finalized its sale of its consumer health division today to Germany's Bayer, selling off popular brand names like Claritin, Coppertone, and Dr. Scholl's foot care products. Despite that $14 billion sale, shares of Merck were the biggest decliners in the Dow today. They were off 2.5%. Meg Terrell was at Merck's Analyst Day up in Boston, where she spoke with the drug maker's CEO about this latest deal and what's next for the company.
Merck today announcing it's selling its consumer over-the-counter health products business to Bayer for $14.2 billion. We talked with CEO Ken Frazier here at the company's Analyst Day in Boston. He told us this is part of a repositioning of Merck's business to focus on the areas where it can be a leader, but that reshaping isn't done and we could potentially see some more.
We're going to look for the best growth opportunities within that portfolio. So I wouldn't say we're finished. We're going to continue to evaluate opportunities to create value. That's to buy things that will make sense at a value-creating opportunity, to sell things that we don't feel are core, and of course, to keep and build on certain things.
Now, Frazier also highlighted some pipeline opportunities the company has in areas like cancer, hepatitis C, HIV, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. We also talked about U.S. corporate tax policy. This, of course, against the backdrop of Pfizer's $106 billion offer for AstraZeneca. Pfizer has said it would potentially reincorporate in the U.K. to benefit from the lower corporate tax rate there. Ken Frazier telling us today that U.S. companies are at a competitive disadvantage when it comes to business development because of the U.S. corporate tax rate.
I actually think that we need to lower the tax rate. I think we need to have a system that is a territorial system or a hybrid system. And I think we've got to recognize that we're in a global war for assets and we're in a global war for business. And U.S. companies can't be at this kind of disadvantage.
Now, Ken Frazier today also focusing on the company's cancer drug, which has gotten an accelerated path forward at the FDA. And we should see more data on that in an upcoming cancer meeting called ASCO at the end of this month. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell in Boston.